Hi admins, welcome to the Conversite Report Generator Alpha. And first of all, thank you for signing up for the alpha and helping us build this feature into a much better, much robust feature. A few things before you start. This feature is currently in alpha, so it will have bugs. Please excuse the bugs. Please tell us what bugs you find, and we'll gladly kind of get them out of the way for you. The second thing is, please give us as much feedback as you can to help us improve this feature, because that is what will help us make it into a much robust and a much better feature for everybody, and then we can release it out. So treat this as an alpha. Don't bet your life on it. There will be bugs. Don't mind the bugs, and please give us as much feedback as you can on this campaign report generator. Basically, the campaign report generator will help you to automatically generate reports about campaigns that you're doing in your community. Now, these campaigns can be anytime in the past, started and completed. It can be started in the past, going on in the present, and will complete in the future. The only campaigns, that will not be which we cannot give a report for now, are the ones which will start in the future. So the two features that we have, the two kinds of campaigns that you can generate reports for, is campaigns that happened in the past and ended in the past, or campaigns that started in the past, are continuing now, and will end in the future. Okay, but you cannot generate reports for campaigns which will start in the future and end in the future. Now, before I'll just show you how the campaign report generator looks, and then you can play around with it. You can find the campaign report generator here in campaigns, and one second. So when you go to your campaigns tab, you can find this reports here. This will be your access point for to access all the campaign reports. Click on view reports. All your existing reports will be here. Click on create a new report, and this is how the kind of dashboard will open. Enter your campaign name, enter the first post date when you started the campaign and the last post date. This can be in the past, this cannot be in the future. Last post date can be in the future. Enter what groups have participated in this. Enter the keyword brand name variations that you want to track, any hashtags, any custom keywords, and generate your campaign report. All the places that you see this red mark are compulsory to add, and every section has an I next to it, which will help you what to input in this report. Okay. Coming to how does the report look? A report looks something like this. So this was a trial report that we had generated, and I'll just show you what were the keywords for this. So this was a trial report where the first post date was 3rd March to 6th March. Participating group was growth and monetization. Brand name variations, Conversite Facebook. Custom keywords, monetize, grow, and engagement. Okay. Now this is the report that came from that. What we have done is that we are taking data up to 7 days from where your last campaign post was there, because what we believe is that when you do posts in your community, reactions and comments keep on coming on that post up till the 7 days of the last post was done. So what you will see is report uses data for 7 more days after the campaign duration, which will kind of tell you how the entire campaign performed. So what you see below is from 1st March to 6th March plus 7 days data that you can completely see below. It has different sections. The first section being key metrics, where you can see how many groups participated, how many admin posts, how many organic posts, how many conversations, reactions, and comments, and everything is detailed is explained in detail with the eye. You can just hover on the eye and understand the meaning of this. Also, you're seeing this entire document we have created for you. So this entire document will tell you section by section what each thing means and how you can kind of enter the details and how you can generate a report with examples. Then the next section is keyword and hashtag mention count. What this will tell you is what was the mention count, or how many mentions those keywords, the custom keywords that you had had before the campaign started, and how they changed after the campaign started. And you can see the impact here. Brand conversations count, you will be able to see for the brand keywords that you kind of put in, what were the mentions before the campaign, and how did the mentions change after the campaign. So you can see that and the impact here. The next section is campaign highlights. Now in this section, you can feature posts. So basically this is for brands to kind of see visually and qualitatively what was the kind of engagement comments that came, and this is like a featured section. So this automatically will pick up the first 12 posts, that have all the keywords and the brand keywords and custom keywords and hashtags. And if you want to add more campaign highlights, you can just click on edit highlights, and all the posts in your group which had the required keywords will come here, and you can select or deselect each one of them and just click on done, and the campaign report will start generating here. So while this generates, I'll just show you another report. Let's just see this report. Yeah. So again, this report has campaign highlights generated based on the keywords I had defined for this report. All right. You can see the participating groups. You can see how many members, what member engagement was what post engagement. Then you can see what is the mention by count by group. So how many mentions are happening in the group of the keywords that we had chosen. And in the end, you can see all the posts that came in this group on the keywords that we had chosen. And you can just click on this and view post, because this is like a private kind of a group. So we are not kind of taking you to the post exactly, but we're just kind of showing you what kind of content is coming in here. So this is basically the entire campaign report generator, and this is how the report looks. If you want to edit this, you can edit this report at any point of time, edit the keywords, change the keywords here, and you'll be able to edit this. If you want to share your report, you can just click on share and you'll get a link which you can just copy and share with anybody. So just to kind of show you, you can just paste this link here and this report will come up. You don't need to be logged into Conversite to see the shared report. Then this campaign summary, ideally we should be adding a campaign summary to every report which just tells the brand or person who's viewing it what is the campaign about and any learnings that we had, anything that we want to kind of share with them which is qualitative, not hard numbers. It'll help you add that. So you can add a campaign summary here. So this is how the entire campaign report generator, the Conversite campaign report generator works, and this is how it looks. Please use it, have a free go at it, try it, experiment it, and please get back to us with any feedback that you have. We'd love your feedback. Thank you so much. And guys, again, remember, everything that I've talked about is completely present in this document. So you can just go through this, look through the video, and every section is explained what it does. All the things are explained here. If you have any doubts, we have created feedback groups with everybody of you, and you can ask us those doubts and we'll be more than happy to clear it for you. Thank you so much for kind of listening to this entire video and participating in the alpha and giving us feedback to create a good, robust campaign report generator for all of you.